Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at Apple on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like this video, go to my website, they're free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. Alright guys, Apple daily chart. Right now, we're going to go to the 10-minute real quick. So 10-minute, we tested the 206, nice big pivot from the other day. I don't know if I could pull it back, but there's your pivot right there. So actually it is a little bit down, yeah, 206.07. So that's when it fell. Got the bounce, a little bit of a push up. We retrace up to this high, 100%. That's where we stalled out right here a little bit. And then today we got above it, and after hours we're down $13.67. So let's look at the daily again. So the big areas that I'm looking at, if we start to fall tomorrow, we're going to take a retrace from this area to the highs, okay, which is right about the 233.46 or so, within pennies, close enough. I'm looking at tomorrow the 206 area, of course. If we get past that, then we're going to go most likely to the 200 even number, maybe gap window at 197 if this starts to go without the buy the dip mentality. We still have the 200 MA and the gap fill here. I love this area, guys, 190 with the 200 MA if it made. I don't think it's going to get there, but if we have a tech wreck on Friday, you know, we haven't had a big sell-off, this thing could bomb, okay? But if we do hold the 206 area, and this got another little pivot right here around 204.70, so anywhere in this area, if it holds, we could get a pretty good bounce. So that's the areas you're watching for a bounce. For me, I gotta wait at least until the $200 number if we drop, you know, another $8 or so, which it could. We could be 20 down on Apple tomorrow, maybe. If we do catch a bid, though, we start heading up. Watch the gap fill area around 213.29. Watch this gap window, gap fill right in here. That's a gap window. And then watch gap fill right here around 222. If this thing it could catch a bid, guys, and be up $30 tomorrow. Okay. You have this area 225, and then this big red bar, which we've been consolidating. This has been a bearish pattern. If you watch some of my videos, you can see that right about here. I was saying this is a great bearish pattern. Earnings coming up, could be tough, could pop, could drop. If it pops, we're shorting. If it drops, you know, we're going to be looking for areas of support. So big area, gap fill. I mean, I still think we're going to 180, possibly lower on this one. Let's go to the weekly now to see if we can find any support and resistance. Yeah, if we fall into this 190, even if it's on Monday, Tuesday, and we're coming down in here, that could be a good area. If that doesn't hold, then it's 180. If we pop back up, they need to get it above the 210 on the 20 moving average. But that's a week, that's tomorrow's close. They need to get it above 210.07 to save the day. So they get it above that. Even these 213 area, these low pivots here, even better, guys. So let's see if the Apple will catch a bid, or does Apple sink the markets tomorrow? Because Apple is a leader, guys. This is one that when it's up, it helps the markets. When it's down, it doesn't help the markets, period. We did hit the 20 MA the other day, so it is a little bit weaker on the weekly chart. So got to watch for that as well. I still love this 190 area, maybe a little bit lower. If it goes up, you're looking at, you know, 220, 213. 207, I mean, down in here, still good support and resistance too. If it comes up to 210, that's good resistance then. So let's keep an eye on this. It is earnings, guys. Anything's possible. They might get a double upgrade after hours, maybe a buyback, you know, whatever they can. And look for Becky Quick and Buffett tomorrow morning or somewhere during the day to, you know, to calm people down. Maybe they do a special tonight. But watch for that too. That's funny stuff. But on the monthly then, let's go to the monthly. Monthly price target about 180, 177 right now. And I'm not going to say it comes right down to it tomorrow, but watch for that. If the markets are weak, this could actually dribble down to this area. And even around 169, pretty good support too. So you get a little bit extended from this 20 MA on the monthly. It's bound to come down sooner or later. We had a nice little rally here, guys. I mean, look at the rally. Come on. 2012, came back, ran up, came back, ran up. Is this the time where we come back now? We're going to see. And just keep an eye on that. I usually mark my target around the 20 MA, and if it hits that, then the next target will be the 50 MA at 139. So not that it's coming down right now, but markets are weak and they start to sell. then you got to watch out for those areas. We're thinking through November, December, possibly some upside because that's what it's been doing for years. If the volume stays a little heavier in the SPY and all that stuff, then we'll most likely get more selling. So right now I'm looking at the intraday pattern on Apple, guys. This is what these stocks been doing. They go down, they retrace, and then they set up for the next wave down. Not that this one's going to. It's Apple, guys, by the dip. But that's that 206.07 area. Pretty much a good peg of that one. And let's see if we bounce a little harder tomorrow. You will get by the dip mentality because this was what 233 the stock was, the high 233.47, and everyone thinks, oh man, it's down 20 bucks, time to buy. Next thing you know, it's at 200. Next thing you know, it's at 190. Next thing you know, it's at 180, and that's where we'll be stepping up to buy. But we got to see how we go in that area, and then we'll look at this one to see where this one can possibly go. So, all right, guys, be careful with this name. Don't go all in on any trade ever. No more than 10% of your total portfolio in a trade like this. If you're gonna scalp it, like if you scalped it down here and you knew you're gonna sell it for $1 or $2, if you got it, then that's okay. You can use margin in that trade if you want to. If you know 206 was a good area. I mean, look at that. 206, it bounced to almost 209. You take, a couple hundred shares, you get $600-700. Doom, out. Take that money and run, guys. So, good level. Watch this area tomorrow. If that cracks, we will probably go. I'm going to say the 200 number, guys. Another $7 or so, $8. That's nothing for this name. We're down 15 now. Whatever earnings, whatever, they'll try to prop this thing up. You prop Apple, helps the markets. You drop Apple, no good for the markets. All right, guys, but that's it. Check out StockBookie.com. Sign up. We've been doing some live sessions every day. Check those out. Some live streams, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think you get the email, and then boom, you're in the live stream. We'll do stuff, live trading. We'll take trades, scalps. We'll look at possible swing trades, support areas, resistance areas, all that good stuff. Become a subscriber, like the video, and we'll be doing more stuff like this, guys. All right, good luck with Apple, guys. 206 area, the big area to hold. If it doesn't, then we're going to have lower prices to come, so be careful if it does crack that area. If it holds, then, we could go back up to 224, guys. Just be careful with the tech names right now. Looks like some distribution coming in on these markets as well as these tech names. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by, watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.